Welcome everybody, and today I'm gonna unbox some really awesome firework decorations. But before we open up the package, I just want to give you a look at www.zenafanshop.nl, and this is the website where I got the package from. You see already a lot of firework shells, and yes, this is really a web shop for the firework lovers, the pyros who are watching this video. It's a Dutch because it's a Dutch shop, but you can still order from this web shop if you live in another country, of course. But this is Jeffrey. He's the owner of this website. He owns the shop, and if you want to buy something, you contact him by just clicking here, and then you can type in what you want. The products he sells are dummies. Dummies are firework display models. You can put them in your living room, in your bedroom, and there isn't any real powder inside. It's just for decoration, but you can get firecrackers, you can get shells, you can get really everything. Small firecrackers, big firecrackers, small shells, big shells. You can even get firework rockets. It's all for display, to give you a very awesome pyro vibe living room style with these awesome products, and they are very realistic, lots of details. I love it. Next up, he also has lighters. You have all kinds of lighters, from torches to normal lighter to jet lighters. Everything you can think of, he sells it. But if you want something else, he also has firework DVDs about firework festivals all over the world. He has stickers, but he also has firework fuses. And if it's legal in your country to order firework fuses, then you can order it from here. But is there something you want to have but you can't find it on the website? Just contact Jeffrey, the owner of the website, and maybe he can get it for you. He's very friendly and he always wants to help. But let's get outside and see what's in the package. Okay, let's go unbox it with this Rambo knife. We're gonna start on the side here. Just cut it open. Then the other side. Cut it open in the middle. Like this. Okay, let's open it up and see what we have inside. Get the knife and cut it open like that. Okay, first we have a Cobra 8. Look how beautiful it is. It's really realistic. But note, this isn't real fireworks. There isn't any powder inside. It's just for decorative purpose. But next up we have a Cobra 6, also very realistic. Look how beautiful it is. The details on it, I love it. Next up we have the Shark 3, very realistic with all the text on it. I really love it. If you love fireworks, these products are very awesome decorations for your living room. But the most special thing in this box is this. This is a Valencia string. This is very hard to get, but it's really awesome. With the real fireworks, they use a Valencia string in Valencia with the festival Las Fallas when they have a fireworks show. And these are all butterfly crackers, and they are very loud in real life. But this is a decoration part and it's really awesome. Lots of detail on it. I really love it. This will get a very nice spot in my living room. I want to give Zena Fanshop a very big thanks for these awesome products. They look realistic, they feel realistic, and the details on it, I love it. For a firework lover, you really need this in your collection. So to everyone who is watching this video, I will say go to www.zenafanshop.nl and get yourself some really awesome firework display products for in your living room. And this is also the end of the video, so I will say to you, put a big thumbs up, subscribe on my channel, follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Snapchat. The links are in the description below, and I will see you in the next one.
Upside down.